Hello, kids. It's Mr. S, and I've got some more songs for you guys. And the one that I'm going to do right now, I know you guys know it well because you guys ask for it all the time, mostly around Christmas because it's really a Christmas song. But the reason I'm doing it is we had a Zoom kind of a sing along recently with one of the classes, and somebody asked me to do it, and everybody was really excited about the song. So I decided, well, you know what? Since you guys like the song so much, I'm going to do it for you. And that way you guys can sing along anytime you want, okay? I'm sure you guys know it. It's called Old Toy Trains. So sing loud. Old toy trains, little toy tracks, little toy drums coming from a sack, carried by a man dressed in white and red. Little boy, don't you think it's time you were in bed? Close your eyes, listen to the skies. All is calm, all is well. Soon you'll hear Kris Kringle and the jingle bells. Ring old toy trains, little toy tracks, little boys' toys coming from a sack, carried by a man dressed in white and red. Little boy, don't you think it's time you were in bed? Close your eyes, listen to the skies. All is calm, all is well. Soon you'll hear Kris Kringle and the jingle bells. Ring old toy trains, little toy tracks, little toy drums coming from a sack, carried by a man dressed in white and red. Little girl, don't you think it's time you were in bed? Close your eyes, listen to the skies. All is calm, all is well. Soon you'll hear Kris Kringle and the jingle bells. Ring old toy trains, little toy tracks, little girls' toys coming from a sack, carried by a man dressed in white and red. Little girl, don't you think it's time you were in bed? So there it is. It's not Christmas time, so let's not think about that yet, but it is a Christmas song, and I know how much you guys love that song. I do too. So have fun singing it, okay? And I will see you soon. Bye, kids.